So, here we are. I've got my fuel tank here. It's been a little while since I made this last video. It took a while to get the part I needed in. And here is the old hose. Alright, and then here is the new hose. So let's see how that goes on. You know, I'll take that. I think the other one's in metric, so it's like ever so slightly smaller. But once I put a clamp on that, it's gonna be fucking dandy. So that's what I'm gonna do. So someone told me to put the clamp on the passenger side facing down, driver's side facing down. I think that's correct. I'll play with it and see. Just like that. Faces down. And that just sits like this. So that's definitely flexible enough. So hopefully this is gonna work out really well. And if not, you won't know. If you're watching this and this is what's happening, it means I was right. Alright, that's pretty happy. I'm very pleased with that. This is a hard line. Some people just cut and replace. I'm not going to. Most of my soft lines actually look pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and replace the ones that are harder to get to because I don't want to have to redo it after I've installed this. That's not easy for junk. Nice work. Here. Yep, this is some soggy. You know, closer to your. I'm going to place it like that. So before, I had this on here, but as you can tell, this is totally screwed. Both ends are just unusable. So I've got a couple options here. Whichever one fits on this better is the one I'm going to use. Both are fuel rated, but we'll see how they go on. That one's maybe we can squeeze on. That one goes on like it's supposed to, so I'm going to use this one. Found a clamp, made in the USA. Pretty pleased with that. I'll use that right here. Okay. Let me make sure I've got this pointing in the right direction here. Yeah. That will do. Alright, so now, next thing is to, first of all, got to get clamps on the ends of all the rest of these to get that ready to go. And then, got to go put it in the MR2, I guess. So I decided not to use those old clamps, and I'll show you the biggest difference between them. So these are made in China, and these are made in the US. So that's maybe a quality difference there, and also these are the hose clamp. These are injector clamp type. Obviously, this is not an injector, on top of other reasons. So, he's not big old here. It's not on screen. Alright, that's definitely not going anywhere. I'm pleased with that. Go ahead and put the ends on so I know where they are. And there's the part. On this. Maybe. Oh, come on. Oh, these are different. They are different. So, use. We're going to get to personal place inside. Bring that down to the over here. You know, just let this one. Alright. that's everything. Guess we're about ready to go put it on the car. Put this last hose clamp on, big opening here. I will go ahead and get that started. Dang, I guess I'll go ahead and try to put it together now. So right now, I'm under the MR2. Basically stuck the gas tank in under it, put the jack under it, and I've been trying to slowly jack it up and shift it back into place. It's gonna be difficult, but I think it may go. So I will reconvene as I go. So at this point, I've got it most of the way in here. Some tips on that. Mine caught on these AC lines back here, but they're on rubber mounts, so you can sort of wiggle them around and push them into place. Push the fuel tank by it, and then get on the other side down there and push the fuel tank right up into place. It's still not perfect. I think I have to move it a tiny bit more. Maybe it's good. I'm not sure. I'll play around with it and see. But now I'm going to try to find the nuts for the belts, the straps. I probably can't, but I'll try. And then get all the hoses connected. So I'm down here. I've got tank is in basically all the way. I've got the straps on. It's not tightened up yet, but it's in. Here, we're looking at all the hoses. It is a clusterfuck, yes. I'll just point them out. Hopefully you can see where I'm pointing. We've got our high pressure line. It goes to the fuel filter. We have our filler hose. It goes here. I have the aftermarket one on here that I found and works. It looks like it works. We'll see if it leaks. It shouldn't. We'll see. But this is $20, and the one you buy from Toyota is like fucking $80. So no, not doing that. Right above that, we have another one. I don't know what it is, but it's one. Right above that, we got a smaller one. Don't know what that is either, but it goes to something. I think it goes to charcoal canister. And then over here, we got a bunch of shit I haven't plugged up because it's impossible, and I'm going to see if it spurts fuel out or if it's just evap bullshit. And if it is, she's going to stay just like that. But, yeah, I guess we'll see if it catches on fire. That means bad things. So, hopefully it doesn't catch on fire.